Hello everyone, this is Scyther88 back with another video for this week. Um, so today I'm going to go over some more details regarding APE, the free DNA editor that I introduced to you guys last week. I'm actually feeling a little bit under the weather. My throat is a little bit sore. I'm kind of sick, so bear with me for this video. This video might be a little bit rough. But anyway, so today we're just gonna go over a couple of simple things, and one of them is basically finding a open reading frame and annotating parts of your DNA. So this is the DNA we had from last time from the introduction video. This is the influenza matrix gene or M gene. Now, if I have this DNA sequence or any other DNA sequence and I want to find the coding sequence, how do I do that without actually looking it up? So what you can do in this program is you can go up here to ORF and you can click Find Next, and it's going to automatically scan your DNA from left to right, obviously starting with number one, like at the beginning of the sequence, and it's going to scan for the start site ATG. So here's one, and we can go ahead and click Find Next, and it's just going to keep scanning for open reading frames as it reads the sequence. Now, I know that my open reading frame is the largest one, and it's actually the very first one you just saw. So I can just go ahead and, for example, click off, and then open reading frame, find next, and there we go. This is actually the reading frame I'm looking for. You can do this with any piece of DNA sequence. And what we can do now is go to Features, New Feature, and we're gonna call this piece, for example, this is the M1 open reading frame. So we'll call it the M1 ORF, and let's go ahead and change the color so we can actually see it. So maybe this yellowish highlight. We'll click OK, and there we go. And here we have highlighted. And what's great about this program is that you can mouse over your highlighted region, and on the top, well right there, we see the M1 open reading frame, exactly what we labeled. And what we can do now, for example, is, well, let's say you want to check to make sure this is your open reading frame. Let's say you have the protein sequence. What we can do is, let's see, we can go ahead and highlight this part, I believe. Actually, what's easier is to just go to ORF again and find next, as we'll hide the same stuff. And we can go to translate. So ORFs, translate. This is okay. And there we go. Now we can see a translation of the open reading frame we have highlighted. And you can go ahead and check this, in a data bank or on the internet somewhere to make sure that this is the proper sequence. So it's pretty useful. Okay. Now, how do we want? Now, let's say if we just want to highlight parts of the DNA without showing the whole open reading frame thing. How do we do that? Well, we can highlight any parts of the DNA by simply just dragging your cursor to the area we want to highlight. So let's say we want to highlight this area as a non-coding region, right? So this won't be translated. And we can go to Features, this new feature, and let's just call it NCR, non-coding region, okay? And we'll just go ahead and make it into a different color. It doesn't really matter. I don't know, like this greenish color. Okay. All right, great. So now if you mouse over your highlighted area, it'll say NCR on top of the program. And you can even manage your, let's say we want to change this color. Okay, we don't like this green anymore. Let's change it to something else. You can go ahead and go to Features and go to Edit Features. And here we'll actually see both features displayed in a window. And we can go to NCR, for example, and click Edit. And then we can change the colors from here. Let's say, it doesn't really matter. Let's just change it to maybe this orangish color. And click OK. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty useful because in the features panel, the window, I guess, you can actually just go ahead and see. You can go to list features, and you'll see all the features that you have highlighted so far that you've created. Okay, well, I hope you guys found this quick video very useful, and help you get started with using this program. Yeah, thank you everyone for listening in and watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thank you so much. This is Scyther88 signing off.